then smell it. Okay. Again, we give him to smell. Okay. You can give him two different objects. Normally we give soap is easily available, so they had given soap. He smell and tell. What is this?
Strawberry.
Good, strawberry. Good, very good. Okay. Open your eyes. After that we have got, second is optic nerve. Cranial nerve 2 is optic nerve. Function, vision. This also doesn't have any motor function and no parasympathetic function. So vision, how we are testing? 2-3 things we are testing about vision. One is visual field. He has got, just look at me, look at here. Okay, can you see this? Still? No. Can you see it?
No.
Yes. So there is a field. We call it visual field. After some time, he cannot see your finger. You can turn your head and then you can see. Not when you are looking at me. Look at my nose. So what he said, you have to test the visual field. In some disease like stroke, they have visual field defect. If it's a circle, cut it into 4. So some stroke patient cannot see 1 or 2. They can see only down because of problem in the brain. Okay, so we have to test visual field. So we have to test all 4 quadrants. Circle, make 4 parts. Circle, make 4 parts and test all. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to test? Look at my nose. How many is this? 1 or 2?
2.
This?
1.
This?
2.
This?
And
This? How many? 1 or 2? Don't tell me. Look at my nose. Do not move your eyes.
I don't
Ensure.
see.
You see, you cannot see. Okay. So look at the eye. How many is this?
3.
Yes. Okay. So I have tested all 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrants. For both eyes is this. How many is this?
2.
This?
2.
This? And this is? This?
1.
Okay. So you have to test the field for both the eyes. This is visual field. Second thing was visual acuity. How clearly you can see. For that, something like this. Can you read it?
Yes.
What it is?
Made
What?
in Japan.
So, made in Japan. Good. They have a card. We call it Snell's
One
chart.
eye, doctor.
There is a
One eye, one side.
with both eyes we check it. They have a chart actually. That is called Snell's chart. You have seen, you have gone for eye testing? Have you gone for eye testing?
Yeah.
So they have a big chart. So similarly we have got a small chart for testing. That's also Snell's chart. You are supposed to keep at 16 centimeter away from the person and then ask him to read. What is the smallest line he can read? Okay, normally everyone's vision is, we call them 20-20. So if he can read the 20th line, his vision is 20-20. Okay, this is visual acuity. First one was visual field. Then we had visual acuity. Okay. Then we have got third cranial nerve, oculomotor. Okay. This has got parasympathetic fibers. Plus cranial nerve 2 also has got supply to your pupils. You see the black thing. You see the black thing? 2 or 3. They control the shape of the lens. Plus inside the black. Sometimes it becomes big, small. Just like a camera aperture. Give me a test. We call it reaction to light. Okay. So what we do, look at my nose. Again he has to look here. And then you bring the light. You see, eye is constructing. Second thing what you have to see, when I bring light to this eye, there is constriction in this eye also. Why? Because connection is like this. Both the nerves are supplying this and this eye. You understand?
Small, all two.
The black thing will become small. Come in. Come in. Look at the black thing. Look at my nose. See. See? Nicely you can see. See again. The black. Can you see the black?
Yes.
Look at his nose. See. But look at the other one also. That's also becoming small.
Yes.
See. That is called consensual reaction. In many disease that is absent. Especially when the optic nerve has some problem, this consensual reaction is absent. Okay. Then we also see something more. Switch on all the light. Switch on. Switch on. You want more light? Yes. So what we have to see? Something which is accommodation. What happens? You can follow this. Normally what happens, you can follow some object closely. But look at his eyes clearly. Open your eyes, look at this, my finger. If you look at the black thing, as it is coming closer, it is becoming smaller. The pupil, watch this, the tip of it, okay? Watch it. So, if you see it, the pupil is starting becoming, keep on looking at it. This is called accommodation. This is called accommodation. Because to follow this point, the lens is becoming big, small, big, small. This is also controlled by 2 and 3. Okay. After that, we test the ocular movement, eye movement. That is controlled by 3, 4 and 6. Cranial nerve 3 is oculomotor. If you remember, it supplies 4 muscles. Cranial nerve 4 is trochlear. It supplies 1 muscle, superior oblique. And cranial nerve 6 is abducens. It also supplies 1 muscle, lateral rectus. So how you are supposed to test it? You are supposed to make a figure of H. Look, follow my finger, okay? Don't move your neck. Just up. Follow my finger. Up, down, up, up and down. So what is special about this figure is, when I do this, look here, take it up, down, don't move your neck, only eyes, okay? So when he is doing this, this eye, look here, this eye, the superior oblique is taking it up and oblique is bringing it down. This eye, the rectus muscle up, rectus muscle down. You have to remember this. The adducted eye, the movement up and down is due to the oblique muscles, and the abducted eye, the up-down movement is due to the rectus muscle. We have got one rectus like this, one rectus like this. Okay? These are rectus muscles. Oblique muscles are like this. Can you see it? Yes. The oblique muscles are like this. Attached here, attached here. They are starting from here, starting from here. So when the eye is here, one takes it up, another one brings it down. This is 3, 4 and 6. Cranial nerve 5. 5 is which muscle or which nerve?
Optical.
Trigeminal. Cranial nerve 5.
Trigeminal.
Trigeminal. No problem. So if you see there, it has got sensory function. It supplies complete face. It supplies face, this side also and this side also. Plus, if you see, it has got a motor function. It supplies the muscles of mastication. It supplies this muscle, muscles of mastication. It doesn't have any parasympathetic fiber. So when you are testing cranial nerve 5, you have to test the sensation. How do we test? We test basically, can you give me key or something? Bring the round thing.